what we're going to use for the generate private key algorithm is going to be RSA out CA. We're going to call this CA.key, CA-key.pen. And we'll use this algorithm. So what we're going to do is create a private key for our certificate authority, right? We're using this command. Well, we're using OpenSSL to create the private key, right? And we're going to store that private key inside of a file called ca-key.pen. Now it's going to ask us for a passphrase for our key. You can give it anything you want. Just make sure that you remember what it is. I'm going to clear my screen just so I can start fresh. If I type ls, you can see that my key is right there. So the next thing I'm going to do is use OpenSSL again. Open, if I can spell. And this time we're going to create a certificate, x.x509. And we're going to store it in this file. This can be a year old, that's fine. So what we're doing now is going to create a certificate for our CA. Okay, we're creating a certificate for our CA, and this is the name of the certificate right here. And we're going to sign it with this guy with the certificate authority's key. All right, so this is a self-signed certificate, which is okay because it's for our certificate authority. Type in the pass key here. Now, to complete that CSR, because we're kind of knocking out a couple of things at once with this command right here. You don't have to enter anything here, but if you did, right, your country name, US, let's say we're from Texas this time, Houston is pretty cool. Once again, you don't have to put anything here, but for the sake of it, I'm going to put some stuff. The OU, this is just the department or the team that this certificate is going to be assigned to. I'm just going to put DevOps since this is a DevOps video. And I'm going to leave the common name and email address blank. All right, common name, email address blank.